Bailey's cocktails are usually sweet and predictable, but this one is different. This is the spiced velvet, smooth, creamy, but with a bold kick of dark rum, warm cinnamon spice, and a touch of black raspberry. It's indulgent, but with a fiery edge. If you think you know Bailey's cocktails, think again, because this one is next level. Let me show you how to make it. Hey everyone, welcome to Friday Night Cocktails. Today we are making the spiced velvet, which is more complex in flavours than the usual Bailey's cocktails, but still simple enough for a beginner to make. We are using Myers dark rum, which brings deep molasses, caramel and smoky notes, making the drink richer and more intense. This drink brings together spice, creaminess and a touch of fruity flavours. So what do we need for tonight? We need Bailey's Irish Cream. We need Myers dark rum, we need Chambord, we need cinnamon schnapps, and we need chocolate bitters. So let's get started. Ice into the shaker. I haven't got my glass out yet because it's still chilly, but I will get it out in a moment. About a third full would be great. Okay, I'm just gonna get my glass, which is chilling in the freezer. If you just put the glass in the freezer for about 5 minutes, that should be perfect. You can also put it in the fridge for a little bit longer, but that's nice and frosted and the drink will be well chilled. Okay, so we are going to use, of course, Bailey's, and you will need 60 mils or 2 ounces of Bailey's Irish Cream. And you will need 30 mils or 1 ounce of Myers dark rum, or any dark rum that you like will be fine. So let's put that in. We need 15 mils of Chambord. Now Chambord is a black raspberry liqueur. 15 mils or half an ounce of Chambord. And now we need 15 mils or half an ounce of cinnamon schnapps, which will give it a little bit of spiciness. And now, just a dash of chocolate bitters. Chocolate bitters can be purchased anywhere, like even Amazon has it. This is the Bitter Truth chocolate bitters, and it is actually made in Germany. But just a dash means pull the top off and just shake like that. Just one dash. It is what it sounds like. Okay, let's get ready to shake. Lid on. Push down on it a bit. I'm using a cobbler as usual, even though I will strain it using the Hawthorn strainer, and shake. I can feel that getting very cold, so that is the correct amount of shaking. A few taps, get the lid off, pretty easy. Okay, time to pour. If you wanted to, you can garnish it with a bit of shaved chocolate or some chocolate curls if you wanted, but I don't think it needs anything, and it's got the chocolate bitters in it, so I prefer to leave it without anything that's going to affect the flavour. But if you wanted a little bit more of chocolate, then feel free to do that. Let's give it a taste. This is really delicious. You're still getting the creaminess from the Bailey's, and you can taste just that hint of chocolate. And then the dark rum is going really well with the cinnamon schnapps, and also you can just a little bit of the raspberry, not a lot of it coming through, but just enough. And it does taste very, very different to the most common Bailey's cocktails, which usually have some cream or half and half in them and some sort of not so intense flavours. So here is the spiced velvet, creamy, rich with just the right amount of spice in it. If you love Bailey's cocktails, then this really is a must try. I will say it is a lot more boozy than most other Bailey's cocktails and just very bold and a lot more intense in flavour. Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you enjoyed this, then don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious cocktails. Cheers. And I'll see you next week for another cocktail.